may mga nawawala sa ating
tutorial step by step.
4th day. Ina, patingin nga.
Maganda po ba dito sa Disneyland?
Ay, gago. Hindi natin alam eh. Kasi ano lang ako dito
Hindi
eh.
na-excite ako. Uy, gago, may manok.
Thank you. Kung hindi nyo na itatanong, nandito kami ngayon sa mga rare sightings. Ay, gago. Andito si Simba.
Rar, rar, rar.
At nandito ngayon si...
Endangered species.
Ay, gago. A wild Louisa. Spotted in Animal Kingdom.
Rar.
Ay, gago.
Scary.
So, nandito po kami ngayon sa 4th day sa Animal Kingdom. As you can see, ang daming naglalakad-lakad lang ng mga, ay, parang meron akong na-spot na isang animal. Ano pong thoughts nyo as a escape animal?
Kokak.
So, ayan ngayon. Papasok na tayo sa mga animals in Asia. Ito, tortoise daw. Titignan natin. Black tortoise. Ayan, nakita na po natin ngayon. Ayan o.
Wala ka ba? Ako pa lang ba?
Ikaw pa lang. Currently in Asia.
I'm home.
Wow. Home of the Filipinos.
Thailand.
Currently in Thailand. So guys, dito tayo sa 4th day namin. Medyo tahimik na po ang mga person. Kamusta naman sa 4th day ng ating birthday trip?
Okay pa naman ako.
Ay, God.
Mamaya siguro hindi.
Nananahimik na po ang mga tao. Kamusta naman ang 4th day sa
Roar.
birthday? Ay, God. Naging dinosaur na po siya. Kamusta ka naman, boss, sa ating 4th day?
Okay naman po. Rar.
Ay, God.
Rar.
Gago. Tungkop, kamusta naman po ang couple sa ating 4th day? May energy pa rin sila.
Rar, rar, rar.
Dito tayo sa next couple. Kamusta naman sa 4th day?
Pagod na.
Yeah.
Pero masaya pa rin.
Same.
Kita niyo. Mga mabababa na ngayon. Dito tayo sa last couple. Kamusta naman ang ating last day? Shy type na din yung babae. Ay, putang ina. Kung di nyo talaga napapansin, sila talaga yung couple na ano, very demure.
Very
At ay, puta.
bawalan lumalabas.
Medyo may pawis. Apat ang gano'n.
Guys. Wow. Guys, hi.
Del Posto.
Uy!
Uy, dito kayo.
Dito kayo.
Alright, there's a large dark brown. That is your copy.
Ayun.
You start with that large dark brown on the right, your copy. Your copy does look like it has some zebra party pants on. So it could seem like they are related to the zebra. Where is this store?
Store.
Sunbelt Strike, they have a yellow. Back in 2015, there were less than 5,000 of them left in the wild.
5,000 na lang.
So kind of good during their mating season. As our back, Safer Pink. Also Nile Hippo on the right. Pink back pelican, they are quite old. Their skeletal structure.
Ayun na, may crocodile.
Where?
Hindi kita mata.
Ayun daw yung
The savanna stretches out for miles and miles, hosting millions of migrating animals every year. And we'll be getting a close look at them up ahead. Top 5. When they hunt as a pack, they'll hunt for large antelope, and when they hunt individually, they sleep in rows, facing Researchers are not quite sure.
Malapit kaya sila.
Oo nga, no?
Ay, aso tuloy pa.
Eh, natakas yung
No biting.
Kukuha yung sombrero.
They can reach speeds up to 55 miles per hour. I like the track.
Pyro.
Cheetahs are the
Si Simba at siya.
Natutulog sila, huwag kayong maingay.
Tawagin ko ba?
Go ahead.
Hey guys.
Nung unang, ayun,
Yun na. Gogi.
Don't bite me.
Wag sa ulo. Wag daw. Yan. Basta wag sa mukha, ulo. Yan.
may ears ka magkakamukha.
Hi! Videoan mo ako.
Tanong natin. Ay, si Chris is pregnant?
Yeah, you like that.
Ay.
Come on, baby, go.
Basta.
If you can reach, you can touch. Same guidelines apply on the back, not the head. Parang walis.
Kat tumingin, kailangan may suspense.
As a chill
Wow,
person.
artist. Mag-hi muna kayo bago yung mga artworks.
Wait lang, may
Pinagmuna
artwork.
naman ako.
Wow.
May artwork before. Ayan, may artwork after abstract. Ay.
Ay, hindi pala pwede ipet sa ulo yung animal.
Ay,
Ay, sorry.
Ay, kagating ka niya. Kagating kita dyan.
All right. Well, welcome to the animation experience. My name is Lisbeth, and I'm going to be the Disney artist for you today. And we're going to have an awesome time drawing the one and only Bruce. Okay, a few of you are excited. Also, we are drawing the shark from Finding Nemo. You know, fish are friends. There we go. Not to make sure that we can draw him, we do need something important, which is inspiration. And us as artists, we are inspired by life. By
Show ba nito? Drawing mo? Ay, gagi, medyo hawig mo yabi, oh. Ay, gagi. Mabas ka na naman.
Animals have always been at the heart of the Walt
Uy,
Disney
ang dami
World.
exposure
As Walt
talaga.
himself once said, I hope we never lose sight of one thing, that it was all started by a mouse. Although Mickey was one of the first characters to draw inspiration from the animal world, soon many more would follow.
very soft, very light, and then mark it better when you feel it's right. And if you do have a happy accident, that's fine. Be like Elsa
Let it
and
go.
let it go. Alright, my friends, we're gonna go ahead and we're gonna start drawing in those eyes. You see these two guidelines over here? Kind of getting closer on this side, a little bit more wider over here. That just means we're gonna be drawing those eyes a little bit different between each other. Our first one is gonna take all the space over here. We're gonna sketch out an oval. Well, actually a circle. And before you get scared about drawing circles and ovals, did you know you already draw them naturally? Let's say we're making some mac and cheese and you're mixing in that cheese. You know how you use your whole arm up to your shoulders? Well, if you put a pencil on that hand while you're doing that, you're already drawing circles.
Paano po yung mga
So we're
di
gonna do something
nagluluto?
similar. Don't just use your wrist. You don't want to get hurt. Now this is just a guideline, so we're gonna sketch it very soft, very light. We're gonna go almost, this is gonna be the center of that circle, and you can just go around and around and around and around. Very soft.
Ano pwede yung mga cartridges sa mga worth it yung pila mo. Ay, matutili.
Galing talaga. Narinig mo ba yung sabi ni Mads?
Once you've found your number, please make sure everybody can see the screen.
A banshee. The way you're gonna do this is by being matched to something called an avatar. And I'm here to help you guys get ready. But first, we have to scan you for Pandoran micro.
Onto the hand grips and supervise your children. Deberán permanecer sentados. Inclinarse hacia adelante agarrando las barras.
sad talaga na sila na, lalo ngayon. Kyle! Ay, sorry.